Guys, I was getting into costume and I dropped my bra in the toilet. Nothing to worry about.
I don't talk like that.
So what do I do about my bra? Okay.
Now go get ready.
Thank you.
Well, that was the last time I was shot by a professional photographer.
My brother got shot by a clown.
Why?
Because my brother kept poking him and saying, "What you gonna do about it, clown? Huh?" It happened on a bus.
Cat, color the tiger.
Yay, crayons!
Oh, come on, parades are fun.
One time, my brother was in a parade, but he was inappropriate, so the parade people called the police, and now he's not allowed to be in parades. Or be near horses.
Play with the pretty keys.
KK.
So,
Well, if it's gonna be on national, give me my keys back. Where's my house key? I'll take her to the nurse.
I swallowed it.
We'll see it again. Not so boring now, am I? All right, Vega, I'm gonna pull
You guys! I'm not gonna sit here and listen to the two of you fight for the next 2 hours.
Well, she's the one who 2 hours? I thought we were just driving to some dead actress's house and lighting a candle.
We are. Her house is in San Diego.
San Diego? God, we gotta finish our science project before morning. No, I am not driving this rolling chiz box to San Diego and back. Just drive the child to San Diego. All right. Go finish for her.
Oh no! Can I have your underwear again? Please get off me, please!
I can't. Not till Jade gets here.
But I have to use the bathroom.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
Yeah.
Then let's just give up now.
Okay. Where's the phone? I need the phone. Where's the phone?
Wait!
No! Help me! Okay, I'm down.
Think about this.
Oh, sounds great. Can I get up now?
You promise you won't run out and use a phone?
Promise.
Cat.
You better sit on me again.